Hey everyone, welcome back to a new Mercedes video. Yes, that's right, I recently bought my first Mercedes-Benz, a 1997 W140 S500. One really cool and useful feature on these cars is the ability to place the hood in what is called the service position. This gives technicians more room under the hood to perform repairs, particularly when it comes to doing work closer to the firewall below the windshield. First and foremost, do not try this if the car is parked outside on a windy day. Opening the hood to this extent is really meant to be done inside a garage, for this giant slab of sheet metal is basically a sail and can easily go terribly wrong on a windy day. Step 1. On the driver's side of the car, slightly close the hood to relieve pressure from the locking tab. Press in the locking tab, then lift the hood up until the tab is out of the lock. Step 2. Move on to the passenger side of the car, slightly close the hood once more to relieve pressure from the tab. Press in the locking tab, then lift the hood up carefully and slowly until the tabs lock into their new positions for the service position of the hood. And here's another view of the hood in the service position. I really just love how much thought and design goes into German cars, and to be honest, I really don't care if it's a BMW, a Porsche, Mercedes, whatever. The level of engineering is distinctly German, and it's really cool and just a beautiful machine to look at when you see the type of design and thought that goes into designing something as simple as a hood. Now, to lower the hood back down to its standard position, simply press in the tab on the driver's side of the car and lower the hood down until you hear 2 audible clicks. If you want to see more BMW content, drop a comment below with the word BMW. And if you want to see more Mercedes content, drop a comment down below with the word Mercedes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.